This is my favorite tool and hardware storage solution. It's 3 boxes that stack in a neat tower. As you can see, small, medium, and large, and they sit on top of this tray, which has wheels. 2 of those wheels lock, by the way, so once I roll it into the position that I need it, I can lock the wheels up and work from there. All 3 have handles, and you can take them apart. It's a strong aluminum handle. I'm going to fold that out of the way. And there are 4 tabs for really locking the whole thing together. On the inside, there are a series of dividers. The small box and the medium box both have dividers. The large box doesn't have dividers because it's perfect for dropping big tools in which you don't need that kind of organization. These dividers are pretty flexible. You can pull them out and reposition them a couple of different ways in order to suit how you want to store your stuff. And then when you're done, you can just lock it all back up, lock each one independently, or when you put them together, you can lock the tower together, especially if you need to pick it up and put it in the back of a truck or something. You can lock them together, and the top hand will control all 3 pieces. This is how I've been answering the age-old question whenever I buy a new tool. Where are you going to put that?